Welcome to War India News Hour. India is bedrock of most of developmental capabilities. Digital adoption in India has become a strategic priority for the government as well as the enterprises. Indian government's initiatives for building a self-reliant India are expected to further catalyze digital adoption. Digital will play a pivotal role as enterprises aim to transform their business models and strengthen competitiveness. India ranks third among the most attractive investment destinations for technology transactions in the world. Technology is a strong priority area for the government and it aims to make people science-centric. Modern India has had a strong focus on science and technology, realizing that it is a key element for economic growth. India is among the topmost countries in the world in the field of scientific research, positioning as one of the top 5 nations in the field for space exploration. The country has regularly undertaken space missions, including missions to the moon and the famed Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is PSLV. IT spending in India is estimated to reach $93 billion in 2021, that is 7.3% year-over-year growth, and further increased to $98.5 billion in 2022. India's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy, prepared by NITI Aayog, outlined a way forward to harness the potential of artificial intelligence in different fields. The COVID-19 pandemic has pushed digital payments into a new era as businesses around the world were forced to switch quickly from in-store to online. As more and more consumers started on to shop online, embedding in payments experience in customer journeys and managing payments infrastructure have become extremely important to businesses virtually in every industry. The new contactless payment solution will redefine the shopping experience for Indian consumers by enabling them to tap and pay initially with their watches and avoid any human contact in the payments process. India ranks 10th in the Global Cybersecurity Index 2020 that was launched by the International Telecommunications Union. The agriculture sector is also likely to undergo a major revamp, with the government investing heavily for the technology-driven green revolution. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi releases commemorative Rs 125 coin to mark ISKCON founders' 125th birth anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 1st released a special commemorative coin of Rs 125 to mark the 125th birth anniversary of the founder of the Hare Krishna movement, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, through a video conference. Union Culture Minister G. Krishna Reddy also present on the occasion. Swami Prabhupada founded the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, that is ISKCON, commonly known as the Hare Krishna movement. India is bedrock of development capabilities, will continue to hire, says PayPal. Digital payment solutions provider PayPal, which recently shut down its domestic payments in India, said India is the bedrock of its development capabilities and it continues to hire aggressively in the country to further build and drive the teams. The US-based company said it is focused on enabling small businesses in the country to leverage digital platforms and expand their cross-border sales. Telstra sets up Innovation and Capability Center in Hyderabad. Australia-based telecommunications and technology company Telstra is expanding operations in India by launching 2 Innovation and Capabilities Center, that is ICC, in Hyderabad and Pune, and a Network and Product Engineering Lab in Bengaluru. The 43,372 square feet Hyderabad Center will act as a hub of specialized high-performance software engineering and will encompass a deep technology consumer software engineering team that will directly innovate for customers of Telstra. These facilities, with a combined size of over 1 lakh square feet, will become hubs of innovation and will further strengthen Telstra's efforts to diversify talent acquisitions in India. Cyber crooks find new ways to hide malicious codes in VRAM and undetectable by antiviruses. Cyber experts have revealed that the cyber criminals have found a new way to hide malware in graphics card memory. This method of utilizing graphics card memory instead of system memory is undetectable by the antivirus software. The malware uses graphics memory allocation space from where the code is executed. The technology uses OpenCL 2.0 API on Windows operating system. No other systems are affected by the malicious code. According to reports, a proof of concept, that is POC, for the tool that makes this possible was sold online just a few days ago. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.